Today I'm sharing a Dutch lace braid and flips tieback. It is an intermediate style and should take you about 15 minutes. We are starting with a deep right side part on damp, clean hair, coming to the back of the crown section and then making another part to the other ear. I'm going to secure this out of the way for now, and we are going to make another part from that deep part over to the other ear. And then this back section I'm just going to secure into a ponytail so it's out of the way for the time being. This little section off to the right I'm going to put into two ponytails. This is going to make our flip section. So I will place the ponytail at the back middle portion of the section and then repeat this with the second ponytail. Once I have those two ponytails in place, we are simply going to flip them using a topsy-tail tool. I'll link this in the description below if you don't have one. If you don't have a topsy-tail tool, you can always just use your fingers to flip it through. So I'm placing the tool through the middle of the ponytail and then pulling the hair through and then just tightening the flip down. We're going to do this again with the second ponytail, flipping the hair through and tightening it back down. With this larger section off to the left, we are now going to do a Dutch lace braid. I've done this on many of my videos. It is my absolute favorite braid. I think it's so cute. And it's just a braid that kind of pokes up and hugs against the part line. So I'm taking a small triangle section and I'm going to start a Dutch lace braid, bringing the outer section under, the inner section under, the outer section under, and when I bring the outer section under, I'm going to add a piece of hair, inner under, outer under, and add a section of hair. So as I've said in my other videos, you are only going to add hair when you bring that outer section underneath, and then you want to pull the braid towards that back part line while you are doing it, and it will just kind of hug against it. Now you can use your finger to part out the hair, you can use a comb. I'm just using a comb because I feel like I have more control over the braid. You'll see me comb it out in between adding sections and adding spray gel sometimes too. That helps keep the braid super neat as I come down her hair. And it will dry looking a lot nicer as well. So again, I just kind of comb out that section, add a piece, and then continue braiding. I am going to continue adding hair until I run out. And I've got a few more stitches. Make sure that you keep the braid tight as you go as well. Tight and clean from knots and tangles. That's another reason that it's nice to have the hair completely combed out, clean, and use product as you go. You'll just get a neater appearance. So I'm adding my last little section in here, and then I'm just going to continue with the 3-strand braid until I get to the bottom of the hair. Again, if you've got hair splitting out or flyaways, just use a little bit of spray gel as you go. I will link my favorite spray gel in the description below. So now we have these two flips and we have our Dutch lace braid. With the two flips, I'm going to do a 3-strand braid. And we are going to braid this 3-strand down until it is long enough to reach the Dutch lace braid in the middle. You'll see me kind of pulling it across to make sure it comes down to the middle where I need it. And then I'm going to do another 3-strand braid on this other area. Again, making sure that it's long enough to reach all 3 of the strands together. Once you've got this last braid done, we're going to take our flips with our 2 braids and we are going to combine them with our Dutch lace braid. Like I said, it's a tieback style. So this is a half-up style, but you could easily convert it to an all-up style with a ponytail. And here is one final look at our finished style. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next week. Thanks for watching.